Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Invesco CurrencyShares Swiss Franc Trust FXF just filed an 8K announcing a key leadership departure, and I'm seeing one red flag that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. It looks like a key figure is stepping down, and the timing along with who they are looking for to replace him could tell us a lot about the future direction. So this 8K filing is a current report, basically letting everyone know about major events happening with the company that investors need to hear about right away. Think of it as a bulletin board for important news. This part just tells us what rules this filing has to follow under the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, which is the main law that governs how companies report their financial information to the public and the government. This is the specific investment trust we are looking at today. The Invesco CurrencyShares Swiss Franc Trust, also known by its ticker symbol FXF, it's designed to track the performance of the Swiss franc. The date of the report is the 4th of June 2024. But the earliest event they are reporting also happened on the 4th of June 2024. This specific item, 5.02, is where we find news about people in key leadership roles. This could be someone leaving, someone new coming in, or changes in how they are paid. It is all about the people in charge. Now for the main event here, a person named Jordan Krugman is resigning from all his roles at the sponsor company Invesco Specialized Products, LLC. This includes his position on the board of managers, which is like a board of directors for this specific sponsor company. His departure is set to be effective on the 3rd of August 2026. It seems like he gave his notice on the 4th of June 2024, but the actual leaving date is in the future. This makes me wonder what is going on behind the scenes. What is really interesting is that they are already thinking about who will take his place. This tells us that they have a plan in motion and are not just going to leave the position vacant. Now, let's connect this to the external news. Jordan Krugman's exit from Invesco CurrencyShares Swiss Franc Trust sponsor roles was reported by Stock Titan on the 5th of June 2026. This aligns perfectly with the date of the filing. What is interesting is that the news reports the departure, but the filing gives us the official confirmation and timeline. This departure is significant because when people leave important positions, especially with the sponsor of an ETF like this, it often signals a change in strategy or a response to market conditions. The Swiss Franc Trust, FXF, aims to provide investors with exposure to the performance of the Swiss franc. When a key figure like Mr. Krugman leaves, especially if he was instrumental in its strategy or operations, it is natural to ask why. Is it a planned transition, a performance issue, or something else entirely? Looking at broader financial data for FXF, we see reports from February 2026 mentioning a net loss of $1.69 million with an earnings per share of negative $0.53. This suggests the trust might have been facing some financial headwinds. While this 8K doesn't directly address the financial performance, leadership changes sometimes happen when financial results are not meeting expectations. A similar situation happened with Bed Bath & Beyond, where leadership changes were part of a larger effort to turn the company around, though ultimately this did not succeed. When a leadership change occurs, especially in a financial product like an ETF, the market watches closely to see who the replacement will be. Investors will be looking for someone with a strong understanding of currency markets and experience in managing investment vehicles. The search for a replacement is already underway, which suggests the sponsor is prioritizing continuity. The fact that Mr. Krugman is stepping down from all positions, including a significant role on the board of managers of the sponsor, indicates a complete separation. This could be a voluntary decision for personal reasons, or it could be due to strategic shifts within Invesco. Without more information, it is hard to say for sure, but the timing, especially given the financial context we see from other reports, does raise some questions. If the trust has been consistently underperforming or facing increasing costs, a leadership change can be an attempt to bring in fresh perspective and implement new strategies. As for the broader context of the Swiss franc as an investment, we see articles from Seeking Alpha in July 2025 and December 2025 discussing the value of holding Swiss francs and the FXF ETF product. This indicates ongoing interest in the currency and the ETF, regardless of internal changes. However, significant leadership departures can sometimes impact investor confidence, especially if the markets perceive it as a sign of instability. The critical takeaway here is not just that Mr. Krugman is leaving, but the timing and the fact that a replacement is being sought. Investors will be scrutinizing who they bring in and what that signals for the future management and strategy of the Invesco CurrencyShares Swiss Franc Trust. Will the new leader focus on cost cutting, new investment strategies, or perhaps expanding the product's reach? These are the questions that will shape the trust's performance moving forward. The risk I am watching is whether this leadership change, combined with any potential financial pressures, will lead to a decrease in investor confidence or a shift in the trust investment approach that might not align with current holders' expectations. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Check out the Discord in the description too.